Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy stock on Robinhood app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Robinhood app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, you need to know that in order to buy stocks, you need to have a verified account in the Robinhood app. Otherwise, you are not allowed to buy any stocks over here. In order to find the stocks that you want to buy, here you can see the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it, or tap on the search bar. You can type in the symbol of the stocks that you want to buy, or if you don't know the symbols, you can even type the name of the company. Let's say I'll search for the stocks of Apple company. In the search results, find the official company and tap on it. It brings up the page for the Apple stocks. You can even see the growth of the stocks within different timelines. So you can check that out. You can even check out different metrics over here. And once you decide you want to buy this stock, here you can see the trade icon at the bottom right corner. As of now, I cannot click over here because my account is not approved. Once the account is approved and your account is verified, you will be able to tap on this trade button and it will pop up the options of sell or buy. In order to buy the stocks, you can tap on buy. While you are placing an order, you can select if you want to buy in dollars or if you want to buy in shares. So you can allocate the number of shares if you want to, or you can directly allocate the number of dollars that you want to spend on that share. So once you enter your desired amount, you can then proceed further to buy the shares. You can follow along the process, and that's how you can easily buy stocks on Robinhood app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.